Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable the auto picture off in your Samsung Smart Monitor. Firstly, go to the left where you have your control panel and go down to the settings. Click OK here and click OK on the All Settings tab. In the moment I enter the edit mode, All Settings. Here scroll down to the General and Privacy and enter Accessibility. Now here, as you can see, we do have auto picture off. We can enable that, and as you can see, now it's black. Now we can disable that by clicking 2 times. And what the auto picture off does, it turns off the screen but keeps playing sound. Press any button except power or volume up/down on your remote to turn the screen back on. And that's how it works. Goodbye!